Dicks come in all forms and sizes. Traditionally, they were made in one way only. When sexual reproduction results in pregnancy, the manufactured fetus has a 50-50 chance of being born with a dick. Nowadays, however, humanity has access to all sorts of technology to produce artificial dicks for a huge range of applications. This company invents machines, fixtures, and prototypes. They develop all sorts of innovative products, from first sketches to patent. Here, they show around an important customer who came to them with a very special product to design. He wants a customized dick. What a weird request. Methodological product design starts at the drawing board, brainstorming and sketching. An engineer with many years of dick experience uses various creative methods to capture the customer's needs and desires. They combine the results into concepts and choose the best one. Now, a huge range of manufacturing methods can be applied to create prototypes. The company uses cutting-edge 3D printing technology to produce the first prototype iteration. A technician uses the 3D model to create the G-spot code and selects the desired raw material. A feeder pushes the high-tech polymer into a heat zone where it squirts out of the nozzle. Once deposited, it cools down again, solidifying. The process is then repeated layer after layer until the dick is shafted. Different raw materials vary in their specific properties, influencing the hardness, color, and flavor of the product. Fused deposition modeling printing machines can also be used to mass-produce dicks of all sorts. They use a conveyor belt or multi-headed printers to erect output numbers. This enables the company to cut down manufacturing costs and run dick production 24/7. 3D printing is also used to create molds for various materials and occasions. Here, a worker unloads the mold and hands it over to the hand finishing department. A master craftsman uses progressively finer sanding paper in a process called lapping. This technique makes the mold precise and airtight to cast a semen-free dick. The last grinding step is done moist. After each round of lapping, he checks his progress to make sure he has rubbed it thoroughly. A set of dowel pins ensures the mold closes accurately every time. The last step before securing the mold is to apply a generous amount of mold release. The formula is a well-hidden secret. The company's executives come together to mix a batch every morning. The high-quality mold can be filled with a variety of materials. In this example, a wick is inserted into the mold before pouring in wax. The result is a candle that lasts longer than a common erection. In a different building of the company, workers are busy shaving metal into dicks. The end product is often used in industrial processes, like tooth for excavator buckets or inserts for deep drilling applications. Here, a skilled engineer loads a bar of alloyed stainless steel into a lathe. He dials in the right speeds and feeds. This lathe is manually controlled, but has electric rapid traverse. A series of drills are used to create a thread at the bottom. A good amount of lubrication is key to not get stuck in the hole. Next, they use a sophisticated CNC mill to transform the blank into the desired shape. A roughing end mill gets rid of the majority of the material. Nozzles ejaculate a creamy white coolant onto the tool and workpiece. The next tool finishes the complex geometry and leaves an immaculate finish on the shaft, the vanes, and the bell end. And next time on How It's Made. Balls!